Do your hose fittings burst under pressure and leak? Well, I can tell you, mine do. Last week, Trevor paid a visit to Tim Keirith and his sons at HoseLink, where we saw the HoseLink operation, their garden hose fittings and new products being tested. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how these hose fittings work. The people at HoseLink have created these fantastic fittings, guaranteed never to burst off, so you're not going to have to be drenched by your hose again. Look how strong they are. The innovative bayonet locking system guarantees they'll never burst apart. So here's how you set them up. Start by removing your old hose fittings and replace it with the HoseLink tap connector. Attach the hose connector to the end of the hose. Be sure to push down firmly so the hose goes all the way to the bottom. Of course, you'll have to do this to each end of the hose. Then screw the accessory connector into the base of the spray gun. Point and twist to connect to the hose, and away you go. It's a simple matter to join two hoses together or to attach other accessories. A great feature of these fittings is that when you need to transport your hose, just join each end together for a watertight seal and no leaking. These fittings can be connected to your existing hose, but if you're sick of hoses that do this, then why don't you consider HoseLink's brilliant kink-resistant hose? With premium flex technology, you can see on a cross-section that this hose has a thicker wall than your average hose. This also makes it super easy to roll up for storage. And to really extend the life of your hose, here are a few tips. When storing, wind it into large loops and store on a hose hanger or hose reel. Wherever possible, store out of direct sunlight. And roll out the hose before first use to help reset the hose memory. Now, if you've ever driven or mown over one of your hoses, then you need one of these. It's a manual wind hose reel from HoseLink, and it makes storage super easy. HoseLink products are only available direct, so check out their website, hoselink.com.au, or give them a call on 1800 HoseLink for all your watertight gardening solutions.